Top 5 morning foods you should eat every day. Have you ever wondered why some people seem energetic, focused, and healthy throughout the day, while others feel tired and sluggish before noon? The secret often starts with breakfast. What you eat in the morning can affect your energy levels, metabolism, brain function, and overall health for the rest of the day. After a long night of fasting, your body needs the right nutrients to recharge and perform at its best. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 5 morning foods you should eat every day to boost your energy, improve your health, and help you stay active all day long. And make sure to watch until the end, because our number 1 food might surprise you. Let's get started. Number 5, bananas.
Bananas are a nutritional powerhouse that everyone should include in their diet. It has impressive health benefits. It's rich in essential vitamins and minerals as well as potassium, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal body function, including heart health, muscle function. It allows you to sleep, it relaxes muscles. These natural sugars in bananas provides a quick source of energy. All athletes are eating bananas.
Bananas are one of the easiest and healthiest foods you can eat in the morning. They are packed with potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. Potassium helps maintain healthy blood pressure and supports proper muscle and nerve function. Bananas also provide natural carbohydrates, giving you quick energy without the sudden crash that sugary foods often cause. Another important benefit is resistant starch, especially found in slightly green bananas. This special type of starch supports healthy digestion and helps you stay full longer. Try adding sliced bananas to your oatmeal, blending them into a smoothie, or simply enjoying one on your way to work. Simple, convenient, and incredibly healthy. Number 4, Greek yogurt.
When you eat Greek yogurt every day, you can typically expect some pretty insane health benefits to start popping up all throughout your life. As a nutritionist, this is one of the biggest reasons why I started having Greek yogurt every day starting back in 2018.
Greek yogurt is a true nutritional powerhouse. It contains significantly more protein than regular yogurt, making it perfect for keeping you full and satisfied throughout the morning. Protein helps control hunger, supports muscle health, and may even help with weight management. Greek yogurt is also rich in calcium, which is essential for strong bones and healthy teeth. But perhaps its greatest benefit comes from probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health and strengthen the immune system. For an even healthier breakfast, add fresh berries, nuts, or chia seeds. Just remember to choose plain Greek yogurt with little or no added sugar. Number 3, oatmeal. For decades, oatmeal has been considered one of the healthiest breakfast foods in the world. It's rich in a special soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber helps lower bad cholesterol levels and supports a healthy heart. Oatmeal also provides a steady release of energy, helping you avoid the mid-morning crash caused by sugary breakfasts. It's loaded with important nutrients like iron, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins. And perhaps best of all, a bowl of oatmeal can keep you feeling full for hours. For extra nutrition, add fruits, nuts, seeds, or a spoonful of nut butter. Number 2, eggs. Often called nature's perfect food, eggs are packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Starting your day with eggs can help reduce hunger and lower your overall calorie intake throughout the day. Egg yolks contain choline, an important nutrient that supports brain health, memory, and liver function. They also contain powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect your eyes as you age. Whether boiled, scrambled, poached, or made into an omelet, eggs provide a delicious and highly nutritious start to your day. For a balanced breakfast, pair them with vegetables or whole grain toast. Number 1, berries. And finally, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are among the healthiest fruits you can eat. These colorful superfoods are packed with antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Berries are also rich in fiber, helping you stay full longer while supporting healthy digestion. Research suggests that regularly eating berries may improve heart health, support brain function, and even help slow age-related cognitive decline. Unlike many sweet breakfast foods, berries provide natural sweetness without excessive calories. Add them to oatmeal, Greek yogurt, smoothies, or simply enjoy them on their own. They're delicious, nutritious, and incredibly versatile. A healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. Simple foods like bananas, Greek yogurt, oatmeal, eggs, and berries can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to stay energized, focused, and healthy throughout the day. Remember, small daily choices often create the biggest long-term results. So, tomorrow morning, try adding one or more of these foods to your breakfast and notice how much better you feel. Which of these morning foods do you already eat regularly? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future health and wellness videos. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay active, and take care of yourself.